November 15th, and one of my kids informed me this weekend that Christmas is just 40 days away. Needless to say, the end of the year is fast approaching, and fall is an ideal time, to examine your financial health and update your financial plans. If you have not yet received your 2021 Last Chance Financial Planning Checklist, I have hard copies here at the office that I can send you. Just send me an email if you'd like me to drop a copy of this in snail mail to you via regular mail. Or you can get an electronic copy at our website right now. Just go to www.investwithccg.com and scroll down until you see it. We have 55 different items that everyone should go through before December 31st. So go to the website, drop me an email, get a copy of this 2021 Last Chance Financial Planning Checklist today. All right, in this week's market recap, stocks tap the brakes after signs of higher inflation. Let me play the intro, and then we will take a closer look. Life is too short to worry about what the next headline could do to your life savings. Hi, my name is Eric Hagan, and I keep my thumb on the pulse of the economy and the markets so my clients can focus on the things that are actually important to them. Thank you for joining me the next few minutes on today's weekly economic video update. All right, stocks posted small declines last week as investors digested recent stock market gains and an unexpectedly high inflation read. The Dow Jones Industrials average slid 0.63%, while the Standard & Poor's 500 retreated 0.31%. The NASDAQ Composite Index slipped 0.69% for the week, and the MSCI EAFE Index, which tracks developed overseas stock markets, dropped 0.78%. Looking a little bit deeper, after moving higher on congressional approval of a $1 trillion+ infrastructure spending bill, stocks drifted lower as investors took a breather after a weeks-long run-up in prices. A high October inflation report on Wednesday sent bond yields higher and stock prices lower, especially technology and other high-growth companies. Energy also fell. Higher than expected inflation elevated investor worries that the Fed may be forced to accelerate its bond tapering schedule and hike interest rates sooner than planned. Stocks found firmer footing following the inflation-related sell-off, closing the week on a strong note, though it wasn't sufficient to keep stocks from ending the week in the red. Rising prices appear to be showing no signs of moderating. The first reading on inflation was Tuesday's release of the Producer Price Index, which saw wholesale prices rise 0.6% in October and register an 8.6% increase from just 12 months ago. A day later, the Consumer Price Index came in above consensus estimates, with prices climbing 0.9% from September of 2021 and increasing 6.2% year over year. The 12-month increase was the sharpest such rise since 1990. The 12-month core inflation rate, which excludes the more volatile food and energy sectors, was 4.6%, its fastest pace since 1991. As always, later on today, I will be sending out our full weekly economic update. If you're not getting this and you would like it, you can go to our website and subscribe there, and then you'll be on the list to get this every Monday. In this update, we have our financial tip of the week. This week, we are talking about cybersecurity, so you definitely want to pay attention to this week's tip. We also have companies reporting earnings, financial data that we're watching, plus a riddle for you and a quote as well. And then lastly, just remember to, if you haven't already, grab a copy of your 2021 Last Chance Financial Planning Checklist while you're there. Hey, this is Eric again. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Here at Capital Consulting Group, we provide personal wealth planning and fiduciary investment management solutions for individuals, couples, and families. To learn how to see your entire financial situation, both today as well as every year into the future, go to clearfinancialfuture.com and watch the short 2-minute video. To learn how we give our clients' life savings the attention it deserves and to see how we're doing, visit smartmixportfolios.com. And lastly, if you'd like help investing your 401k at work, visit me over at 401kinvestmentpros.com. Thank you again for your time today. I'll look for you next week.